Applied Digital, or APLD as a ticker, suddenly is becoming the talk of the investor community after announcing a massive infrastructure deal with AI cloud company CoreWeave. APLD stock price jumped more than 50% in a single day, and the rally didn't stop there. Soon after, an SEC filing revealed that CoreWeave also holds a significant equity stake in Applied Digital. So this disclosure redefined their relationship. It's not just a buyer and supplier, but strategic partners in a long-term infrastructure ecosystem. So let's dive into why this deal matters. First of all, let's talk about Applied Digital. This company is based in Texas, and it's a next-generation infrastructure company. It builds and operates large-scale data centers for AI and high-performance computing, HPC. In plain terms, it provides the physical power and space that modern AI workloads require. Originally, the company focused on crypto mining facilities, but with the rapid surge in AI demand, Applied Digital has shifted toward becoming a stable provider of the energy and physical infrastructure needed to run AI models. Now, Applied Digital's contract with CoreWeave is pretty huge, both in scale and structure. Under the agreement, CoreWeave will lease 250 megawatts of data center capacity at Applied Digital's Allendale campus in North Dakota. The deal includes an option for another 150 megawatts, which could bring the total to 400 megawatts. The Allendale campus itself is a purpose-built cluster for AI workloads. Unlike traditional data centers that serve various general-use clients, Allendale was designed from day one with high-density AI and HPC in mind. It offers low power cost, a climate ideal for cooling, and rapid deployment capabilities. Over the 15-year term of the agreement, Applied Digital expects to generate around $7 billion USD in revenue, which is transformational for a company that reported just $53 million USD in revenue last quarter. Now, more importantly, this isn't a one-time transaction. The deal will be executed in phases from late 2025 through 2027, providing a predictable long-term revenue stream and clear valuation basis. Okay, so, and then came another update, another surprise. On June 4th, of several hours ago, CoreWeave disclosed in a Schedule 13G filing that it holds roughly 5.5% of Applied Digital stock, about 13 million shares. But CoreWeave didn't buy those shares on the open market. Instead, they were issued as warrants, which are rights to purchase shares at a fixed price in the future. So CoreWeave's warrants, priced at $7.19 per share, are already fully exercisable. And here's where it gets even more interesting. If CoreWeave expands its contracts with Applied Digital, it's entitled to receive even more warrants under the same terms. In short, CoreWeave isn't just leasing space, they're becoming a long-term shareholder in APLD's growth and success. Now, here's a twist that ties everything together. Both CoreWeave and Applied Digital are portfolio companies of Nvidia. As of March 2025, Nvidia owned approximately 7.7 million shares of Applied Digital and 24.2 million shares of CoreWeave. The chip giant is not only selling GPUs, but also building out the ecosystem those GPUs will run on. CoreWeave is a customer of Nvidia's chips. Applied Digital is a physical infrastructure provider making those chips usable at scale. Nvidia, which is sitting at the center, is quietly creating a vertically integrated AI infrastructure stack. It's a high leverage play, and investors are starting to notice. Now, Applied Digital isn't profitable yet. The company posted a net loss of 36.1 million USD last quarter, but it did turn a positive adjusted EBITDA around 10 million USD, which indicates that its core operations are beginning to generate real cash flow. The CoreWeave sets up a path for recurring revenue. The deal with CoreWeave sets up a path for recurring revenue into hundreds of millions of dollars per year. And then you add in future clients, potential conversion into a real estate investment trust rates, and then expansion of its data center footprint, and the financial profile of the company could change rapidly. One concern is that the stock's sharp run-up is nearly triple since early April. That kind of surge often brings volatility, and a short-term pullback wouldn't be surprising. But when viewed from a long-term perspective, some analysts believe that this might just be the beginning of a larger uptrend. Now, once seen as a speculative crypto play, APLD is now being revalued as a core infrastructure provider in the AI economy. Its triangle of deep relationships with CoreWeave, Nvidia, and a purpose-built AI data center strategy has pushed the company into a far more serious category. If CoreWeave increases its stake, or if Applied Digital signs similar structured deals with other clients, the upside could extend further. For now, all eyes are on how far this current rally can go and how much real value is being priced in. So, can Applied Digital truly become one of the foundational players in the AI infrastructure space? As shareholders and onlookers, it's a question worth watching and maybe even betting on. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.